today I'm going to unbox this. I guess this one is the Our Place knife. I'm not sure which set is this, but my wife purchased this, so I don't know what style or which model this one is. So yeah. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company, so yeah, let's go ahead and do this unboxing and for you guys to check them out with the ASMR style. Alright, hopefully you guys will enjoy it. So yeah, there's this pull tab right here. Let's go and check out the UPC code. The product is made in China. Welcome to our place. We save you a seat. Everything you need to know is in this booklet. The precise paring knife. For cutting the small stuff. What the? So it says hand wash with warm soapy water, taking care around the sharp cutting edge, avoid soaking, washing with the abrasive sponge. So this is the abrasive sponge that comes with it. So it says once cleaning is done, then you gotta wipe it and dry it right away, immediately. Right here is Our Place. You'll go to for a task on the tiny side. Pick me up. I'm home. Wax or plastic paper. Well, there you have it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one.